happening at AM.CO.za? Well, many trolleys were built for the display section, so that each display item can have its own computer or house the display item itself. And of course, it does get busy with clients walking in with their own items of interest to be tested on. The new UV DTF is making a great impression, and visitors are encouraged to try it out for themselves. Actually, tests are also being run from the warehouse for bigger items like this engine block, as the technician takes the LaserMaster through its paces. Speaking of the warehouse, dispatch is getting well organized with color-coded baskets and digital tracking systems. And easy wrap methods to protect products. The sales office, with its fancy Décor, gets a color injection with a unique contravision and wallpaper design. And the office windows are fitted with a blue film to stop glare from outside. And to look cool, why not? Check it out on your next visit.
"2023 marks the 10th anniversary of AM.CO.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunnyrock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space, and 400 square meters of spare parts storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. AM.CO.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. Ambitious Academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.